How to know if someone is online on Snapchat. So let's get started. First of all, open up the Snapchat application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now from this interface, navigate to the bottom left corner and tap on the map icon. Now once you land on this interface, there you get to see the map and search for that specific account where you want to view their online status of that account. Now under their account, there you get a small timestamp that says the online status of that account. For example, I have this account right here, and under that account there's a small timestamp that says 10 minutes. That means this account was online on Snapchat 10 minutes ago. But if that stamp says online now or now, that means the account is online on Snapchat. But this is only possible if your friends have enabled or shared the live location. If not, then you won't be able to view their online status. And there is another way to check if they are online in Snapchat or not. For that, go to your chat page and open up any chat with your friends and just send a snap or chat to that friend, and if this account responds to you immediately as soon as you send the snap or chat, that means the account is online on Snapchat. So these are the way to know if someone is online on Snapchat, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.